Good morning, everyone. So I am here giving you a little bit of a view of how it looks right now. It's beautiful outside. It's raining, sprinkling, kind of there and there. Supposedly it's gonna be like this all day. I love this weather. I would have rather be able to blow dry my hair, but I guess not today. So I had to pick it up. But it's a beautiful weather. I don't know if you guys like rainy days, but I love them. Let me go ahead and see if I could show you. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Let me move up a little bit. I'm gonna move out of my parking. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain. Let's see. Hold on, look. So it's really, really nice today. I'm on my way to Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I have two tutus I need to finish by today. I need to mail them out. The pastel colors on tutus have been super requested this month. I am like driving crazy with purple, pink, teal, light yellow, light colors, like really pastel colors, peach. So I have to keep on buying and buying and buying and buying more, which it's okay. Today I have a doctor's appointment with my son, so my plan is to cut the tool, take it in a bag, and just start doing the tutus while I'm there at the doctor's, at the waiting area. Might as well do something. People, just to let you know, I don't know if you guys were aware, Joann's has the 50% discount this, I think, till tomorrow. This weekend they have the 60%, which that's the coupon I love. I don't think Hobby Lobby has any specials, like good specials going on right now, but I know for sure Joann's had some. I'll be back to show you a little bit of what I've been doing today on my tutus. Let me know if you guys go shopping at Joann's and if you guys use your coupon. Remember on my last video I showed you the backing for the shirts when you guys do embroideries or sewing, anything that you do on a shirt that you don't want to feel the itchiness on the back, you could put the backing. That one, it's $17.99, but if you use the coupon, you could get it up to like $8, $9. So take advantage, really take advantage. Right now it's like $9, but sorry guys, I'm passing through a church. But last week my son and I, we had the 60% off, so I told him, here babe, you go grab bobbin thread, which that's $10.99 a spool, and I went and grabbed the backing, so we ended up paying like $20 or less, and that's something I usually pay like $35. I paid a lot for that, so I just take a good advantage of that, and trust me, you'll love it. Well, I'll be back as I'm driving. I'm driving on a really low, slow zone, so it's not bad, but it's kind of sprinkling, and I'm about to get to the highway, so I don't know how it's gonna be. So I'll see you guys in a bit, and I'll show you a little bit of what's been going on. Thank you.